Welcome to GAM Music Entertainment Feats.
Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome to GAM Music Entertainment Feed. Please subscribe and turn on the post notification bell if you are new to the community. So viewers and subscribers, our topic for today is the music news, the things that are happening into the music scene right now. I can see that the whole Gambian artists, the big ones, are making huge amount of money in the music industry. You see me? So before we jump into that, let's go and enjoy some vibes and then jump into the story.
We no roll, we no go digger. Them a claim you but me sicker. Every bit killer man a real done dada. Everywhere me go, me a heavyweight. Bad mind tryna stop the heavy wave. Burn up this spliff just to meditate. Na na na. Side feel a weak bad mind book a kuno ma. Guy ye cold belly try jang. Honey people feel a shine can yeah. Shine feel a can. Bad mind book a kuno.
To the Fulani King is about to drop his brand new music video called Original. To the Fulani said, Original soon to be updated on your playlist. Going hard this year. Stay alert. That's what A2 said. A2 said 2021 is not gonna be an easy year. You see me? So A2 said he's gonna take the music to the next level. So he's working on a new video. I will play the clip. The next topic that we are going to talk about is a Gambian rapper based in UK. That's it. His name is Pasalu. Wins BBC Sound of 2021. He said, I am the voice of the voiceless. That's it. Pasalu said, this thing is a mad move. That's it. It is a good look for his career. And he said he will never let down the thing. So I will play the video clip and you will see what he is talking about. Is it? And he already thanks the people that who were there to support him. So let's watch the video.
For you, I'm absolutely delighted for you. It's such a nice way to start the year.
Like I was grateful, like even being like part of the 10, like top 10. But there's some talented, crazy talented people. There was Berwin, there was Griffey. Like I don't know, man. It's crazy.
You mad? Look, my name is Pan. I'm from Hill Set. Bust gun, dodge slugs, got touch, skip death. Fuck yo, get money.
Cihu Yaffa brought a brand new car. Viewers and subscribers, this is the proof that to show us that the Gambian artists are finally making money into the music industry. Is it? So tell me how you feel about that into the comment section and tell me how the Gambian artists are doing. The 2020 was a rough year, but the artists them already do it. You see me? They already more than the 2020. So right now we are in 2021 and every Gambian artist is angry. They want to take this year to the next level. The Gambian music is now improving every day. Every day, me seeing Wally artists. I have seen enough Gambian artists are doing it good. Is it? Last year, we all know what happens. Is it? This year is gonna be mad. Is it?
Know your roots. Be the tree that will bear my fruits. Feel use them. Get the use. Walk the walk and lost it for the paper. Don't wait till later, walk the walk. Don't wait till later, walk the walk and watch it for the paper. Don't wait till later.
Next story that I want to talk about is for the Gambian artists. That's it. I think it is the right time for the Gambian artists, the upcoming and the artists them who want to promote their music. They want to sell their music to all digital platforms. That's it. We have the links right now in the Gambia, so they are helping all the Gambian artists, those who want to sell their music to gain money from their talent. You see, not only you will go for shows, you know, they give you just some chicken change, all those kind of things. You see, you have the talent, You have the talent, so you have to sell it to the people so that people can buy it. You see? Look at A2, look at T-Small, look at ENC, ST, Oh Boy, Hussein Dada, Attack, Jizzle, all these artists, Viper, they are all making money into the music scene right now. You see? These artists that I mentioned, they are making more money right now on their account. You see? So viewers and subscribers, if you know an artist who want to sell his music, link any other person that you know can promote your music. That's it. You have to build link and build a brand for your career. Music is paying off right now, so you have to be smart with it and go and play with those people who you know can help you distribute your music to all digital platforms so that you can get money from your music. That's it. Even you have 1 subscribers into your channel, is it? Anyone, your music have to be protected. Is it? Anyone use your music in Facebook, Instagram, is it? On YouTube, is it? You're gonna get paid for it. So we have the links right now into the Gambia. So you have to go and link them. So viewers and subscribers, that is for it today. Let's go and enjoy some vibes, and then I'm out. If you have any other question, just comment in the below and I will reply you as soon as possible. Or you can follow us on Instagram.
Welcome to Gam Music Entertainment Feats.